Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete documents and data on CapCut PC. So go to the home page, or not, just go to the settings tab. Actually, you need to go back to the home page, sorry. Go to settings, and under cache size you're just going to clear cache files, and you're also going to select the automatically delete it from like how many days ago. There is 15 up to 90 days, and press save, and you can even change where you save the the like files to. And then here, to delete like projects or like documents, just press delete. And to permanently delete it, just go to the trash section, select the project you want to delete, and press the delete button. You can also select this one to delete like all of it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.